In today's video tutorial, we will be looking at how to unarchive a repository in GitHub. Let's begin by navigating to the repository panel on the left-hand side of our GitHub dashboard and clicking on the link to the repository that we want to unarchive. Now, we should be able to tell if the repository has already been archived, as there will be a banner at the top of the repository page indicating so. Now let's click on the Settings tab to unarchive the repository. Then click on the Unarchive this repository button. Now the prompt is informing us that if we proceed with this action, we will be able to perform pull requests, create issues, create projects, and much more for the repository. To finally unarchive this repository, we just need to copy the text that the prompt instructs us to type, and then paste it into the text field. Then finally click the I understand the consequences, unarchive this repository button. Then there we have our repository unarchived. If you have any questions about this, then please leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this video useful, then please give it a like and hit the subscribe button.